out onto A37. Continue on A37.
We're indicated to turn in.
It didn't. If you just turn, you went on the other side of the road and just turned straight in. I don't care.
It's still on. The indicator's still on.
You turned straight in front of me there.
We did. We could have turned out to turn in, and then we put the indicator.
Let's have some insurance details. Do you not look in your mirrors at all when you turn in? Is that? Can I get out the way here or not?
Yeah, you have to back up, won't you?
One of my best friends is taking a girl. He's been after.
Oh!
I don't embarrass him, but he's been.
What are you doing?
On the first date tonight, and he wants.
Oh, Hosni, are you okay? Get the registration. Take a picture of it.
Most homes could save with.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Come on, move the car.
Look, you can use this. Just go round and use this to go round and look.
Shift, exactly. Move the car.
Shift the car to BMW.
He's having another problem now. He needs to move. Move the car.
Shifted there, inside. That's it. Go on the button. The car.
Twats.
That's it. You out the way now.
Move!
You've done your bit.
I'm Animatronic. It is my pleasure to bring you my favorite disco to listen to and get down to. Disco Classics with Animatronic. Dang, if this song isn't good. Anna delves into her mirrored and sequined record box for 3 special shows of rare gems and vinyl classics. And I am giving myself permission to indulge. This Wednesday night, it's Picnic Disco. Nothing like some disco fluid to make you feel like a sunny day. Disco Classics with Animatronic.
They're coming in all the time. There they are. You know, they're small, they're big,
Oh,
and
for
they're
fuck's
travelling
sake!
fast. 27. 27, you say? Have another guess. 12.